Bangkok, one of the fastest growing cities in the world, and of course extremely engaged as well on sustainability. And thank you also Mr. Rémi Lambert from French Embassy for being with us this morning. So yes, it's going to be about inspiration. And of course today it's going to be about innovation, about connected products, artificial intelligence, services, software, and all the technology we can bring at Schneider Electric on the market. But before entering into the details, I think it's important to take one step back and just have a look on what is happening around us. At Schneider, we see that there are two mega trends which are clearly impacting significantly the world we are living in. The first mega trend is on digital. Digital is accelerating. It has even more accelerated since COVID. You take e-commerce, e-banking, ChatGPT, you name it, everything, everywhere in our professional life, in our personal life, digital is everywhere, and it will continue to accelerate even more in the next decade. On the other side, you have electrification. The world is becoming much more electrical. It has started a couple of years ago, and it will continue to accelerate in the next decades, especially with the massive shift from fossil energy to electricity. And the beauty of it, when you combine digital, generating more efficiency thanks to AI and big data, together with electricity, which is the most decarbonized energy in the world, this is the perfect way to solve the sustainability equation. And guess what? This is what we do at Schneider Electric. At Schneider Electric, we are your digital partner, bringing technology, digital solutions to you, our customers, for more efficiency and for more sustainability. This is who we are at Schneider Electric. So Schneider Electric, we are a technology company. We are an industrial tech company. We are the global leader and also the local leader here in Thailand of energy management and industrial automation. Globally, we are operating in more than 200 countries, 35 billion euro generated. One figure, 74%. 74% of what we do at Schneider Electric is directly contributing to the decarbonization of our customers. It is what we call impact revenue. In Thailand, we have started to operate since more than 40 years. We count more than 1,500 employees. We have a global smart factory here in Bangkok, 1 hour from the south of Bangkok, and we are operating in all the end markets, which means infrastructure, data center, buildings, factories. So yes, we have a very strong presence here in Thailand since more than 40 years. Speaking about sustainability, again, we have the great honor to have Jean-Pascal with us. Sustainability is not a new topic for us at Schneider Electric. Together with Jean-Pascal, since more than 10 years, we have been pioneering the sustainability topic around the world. And as a result, we have received many recognitions. 2 years ago, we have been recognized by Corporate Knights as the most sustainable company in the world. Just a couple of weeks ago, we have been ranked #1 most sustainable company in the world by Sustainability magazine. So yes, this is a great recognition. We are extremely proud of it, but it's also a very big responsibility. So that's why we have recently decided to go even faster, to accelerate on sustainability, and that's why we have announced our new carbon pledge. We are committing at Schneider Electric to be carbon neutral by 2025, to be net zero by 2030. It's extremely ambitious, but believe me, we're going to make it. We are committed to make it happen. And I think it's very important to understand that the moment is now. Everywhere in the world, we are focusing on sustainability. But that's even more true here in Thailand. And believe me, the planets are getting aligned. Thailand as a country has taken very strong commitments on sustainability. 30% reduction of carbon emissions by 2030. 30% of the power generated in Thailand to come from renewable energy by 2030. 100% of the vehicles sold in Thailand by 2035 will be electrical vehicles. Thailand has committed to be carbon neutral by 2050. Thailand has committed to be net zero by 2065. So yes, it is happening now in Thailand as a country. And it is happening also on your side, on the customer side. During Innovation Summit 2 months ago, we have conducted a survey. Those are the results. 62% of you are convinced that your organization has a key role to play on the decarbonization of Thailand. 62% of you, have already decided, implemented action plans to decrease your carbon emissions. 99% of you are convinced that technology is a key driver to generate more sustainability. So yes, it is also happening now in this room together with you, our customers. And guess what? There is no need to wait the next decade and the new magic technology which will solve all our problems. No, the technology is available. The moment is now. With the existing technology, the technology provided by Schneider and the rest of the other players on the market, we can already reduce 70%. 70% of the carbon emissions we emit collectively at the global level can be reduced just by deploying the technology which is available, by focusing on the energy supply, where the energy is produced, by electrifying more our homes, our factories, our buildings, our offices, and by deploying massively the energy efficiency technology which is available on the market. So yes, it's happening now, the technology is available. You will see it live in a couple of minutes in our showroom, in our Innovation Hub. And yes, it has started already. Here you have a list of very familiar names, Thai corporations, it's not exhaustive, but we have already started to work with those companies in Thailand in helping them to decarbonize. So yes, it's happening now. It's just the beginning, and this will be my conclusion. We need to accelerate. We can accelerate. The planets are aligned. It is happening now. The solutions are available. Again, you will see it live in our showroom. The payback is here. It's good for the planet. It's good for our population. With this being said, I will hand over to the chairman of Schneider Electric, Jean-Pascal Tricoire, who again will give us much more details on how we can accelerate even further on the sustainability.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pascal.
Good morning, somebody. Really happy to be here. It's been a while. I have not come to Thailand. I know you are all extremely busy. Governor, thank you so much for honoring us for our presence. French embassy is also well represented. Thank you for being here. I will rebound on what Stefan just presented, on offer more details about Schneider. Schneider is a global company. I've been CEO for the past 20 years of Schneider. Stefan, we were speaking about 10 years. It has been a journey of 20 years actually to move technology to sustainability. And I'd like to give you an overview of what we are doing today together with our partners around the world so that you see that actually what we do globally is also what is proposed on happening today in Thailand. So let's summarize where we are today. When we started the journey 20 years ago, I was convinced of one thing. We have a duty today in the world which is to bring energy to 3 more billion people. 1 billion people who don't have access today to electricity, or many of them are in Asia or in Africa, and bring electricity to the 2 billion more people who will join us in the next coming 20 years. And we know that energy is all about emissions and therefore climate change. And at the same time, we have the duty to change the trajectory of carbon for the planet. And if you look at the curve that we have here, the red curve is where we are if we keep doing with our business model as is, right? Business as usual. Then the green curve that you see here is where we should go if we want to stay at 1.5 degrees. And we are working always with a number of think tanks and specialists around the world. And the only way to bring that curve down from red to green is to work on 3 things. It's about energy efficiency and circularity that cuts actually half of the curve. It's about green electrification because electrification is the only way to take out carbon. And it's about also decarbonizing fossil fuels, which we are doing with the oil and gas industry. So, Stefan said it, the thing that people never integrate enough is that 70% of the technologies are existing today. Hydrogen, CCU are good technologies in the future, but the direct impact is with existing technologies. The other thing which strikes me is that when we speak about energy, it's always about supply. It's about electricity, oil, gas, nuclear, renewable, and something. But in the history of humanity, energy transition never happens through the supply. They always happen through the demand. Cars will be low carbon because somebody invented a great electric car. Not because there is more electricity, actually there is not more electricity. So our duty at Schneider, together with you, is to transition the usages to clean and efficient electrification. So when we work with the global or the most specialized experts in the world, the first priority is saving, energy saving, because the payback is immediate and it's not only about carbon, it's about cost. The least to consume energy, the better your company is doing. Then it's about going from fossil fuel to electrification. And then it's about decarbonizing electricity. And if we do those 3 things, then we are back from the red curve to the green curve we are mentioning before. So what does it mean? It means that simple equation, which is the whole strategy of Schneider. Digital for efficiency, electric for decarbonization, means sustainable. Means also less local pollution. I was living in China when cities were booming, we were choking under the smoke. Today you go to Beijing and now the sky is back to blue, and that happened because of those actions, right? Just to make an example. So at Schneider, we've been working on the digitization of things, of buildings, of homes, of manufacturing, of cities for many years, and we've come to the conclusion that a superior efficiency comes from a superior integration. And it starts with integration of energy and automation into one because they are very linked together. It goes with the fact that everything should be connected and have an image into the cloud. It comes to the fact that we should have one digital twin of everything, every building, every plant, every city, from the design into the build and into the operation of it. It goes to the fact that in the past we are managing factory by factory, building by building. Today, because of digitization, you can manage your company on one integrated manner, one integrated repository, and therefore get the most of your size of this aggregation. And finally, when you know what you consume, you can source the best source of energy. So, step by step, we've developed from IoT to big data into the cloud and into a full digital twin, what we call the industrial metaverse. And it starts by connecting the physical environment around us, buildings, plants, infrastructure, and make sure that everything is controlled digitally and everything has an image into the cloud. And you're going to see it next door. That's called EcoStructure. Plug and play architecture so that everything can be connected and no hassle. It's really easy to do, and you've got the data for everything which is connected. EcoStructure. Then once all the data is repositioned, we have what we call the data hub, where you will find your data for assets, for energy, for process, for carbon into one repository. And then you connect everything, building, industry, data centers, infrastructure, and you open it to all your ecosystem, your software developers, your integrators, your partners, your shop floor operator, your plant managers, everybody can participate to the improvement of all this. And we integrate, thanks to digital, very complex things. The energy process, the electrical process, the build process, and the manufacturing process. And you understand that when you run a plant and you modify a machine, it touches the power distribution because maybe you need more energy, and it touches the build because maybe you need more space for your machine. This is done automatically into what we call the enterprise metaverse by the platform we've aggregated and consolidated. And finally, very important, as we are all digital and we operate our world on our phone, all of this has to be simple, and we gather that digital experience into one customer experience. So that's about digitization. Once you've got a digital print of your company, then you can really decarbonize, because digital gives you the information, then you can elaborate or put together a strategy, and then you can implement that strategy of decarbonization. And this is what we are doing today with 40% of the Fortune 500 companies in the world. Be their partner in decarbonization on what we can do and we do here in Thailand. So a few examples, and I won't dwell on it. Schneider is the world leader in supplying clean energy systems to data centers. And as data centers are moving to AI, you're going to see much more power and much more challenges on that side. So we are very excited by the innovation that comes together. Buildings, of course, which are the major unit of any cities. Industries also, of course, you have manufacturing, energy, and build coming together. And I didn't put here a major environment, and I had the privilege yesterday to visit PEA, where we are installing the biggest advanced ventilation management system, the smart grid, which connects everything together. Stefan mentioned it, but Schneider has been recognized for the past many years as a world leader in sustainability. We describe ourselves as an impact company, and our commitment is to all the stakeholders around us. So we've taken our own commitments, Stefan mentioned it, net zero, carbon neutral by 2025-2030. We help our customers to save 100 million tons of carbon per year because of technology. We measure it, we audit it. We are helping our suppliers to cut their emissions by a factor of 2 in the next coming 3 years. We are providing our investors with a guarantee of 75% today, but soon 80% of green and impact revenue. And finally, what I'm very proud of, we are helping, or we are bringing green electricity for the first time to 50 million people around the world, and we are training 1 million people in the world to the trade of new energy and digital. This afternoon, I'm very proud to sign an agreement with university here so that we are going to train a number of students here in Thailand to this trade. So that's it. That's as a big picture of Schneider globally. As you can see, it's exactly what Stephen said for what we do in Thailand. And we just are looking forward to deploying more solutions because technology do exist and they make our company more sustainable and economically more performant. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, both, for your inspiring words and your commitment for sustainability. Next, we have a special guest, our legendary governor of Bangkok. So his presence here today.
So I came to talk about the importance of the Innovation Hub in Bangkok and also as a user, how we use technology to improve our city. So when you talk about technology, I think everyone think about the smart city, right? How can we use smart city to make the city smarter? And the city is different from company, right? We have like 1,000 employees, we have like limited area, but we have 10 million people. We have like 1.6 thousand square kilometers to manage. So what would be the proper technology? Which technology from China should be used to improve our capacity? I like the book by Ben Green. He didn't talk about smart city, he talked about smart enough city. I think this is important as a user, right? Because when you talk about technology, sometimes you focus a lot on technology, but in fact, when you look at the smart enough city, you need three things. You need people to be designed by the people. And that's why so important we have innovation hub in Bangkok. So you came closer to the user, to the end user. So you understand what people, what is desirable for people. And also I think this business should be viable, right? Should be financially visible to use the technology. And the last one is your responsibility to be technology should be good, really should be feasible. So I think the intersection is important for technology to be used for the smart city. So we cannot focus only technology feasible. We have to understand the customer, what their financial status, how much money we have, and what is the priority for the technology to be used. So that's why you need something closer to the user as an innovation hub in Bangkok. And I think we have many experience, right? I mean, technology can bring you to something somewhere wrong. So you need people to make a decision too, right? You cannot just follow GPS and without seeing the route. So people decision still very important. And in Bangkok, we have so many examples of the technology we use, right? I mean, anyone live in Bangkok? I think most of you live in Bangkok, right? So I mean, if you live long enough, you can see the smart taxi stop. So we use we have 150 of these, so you can go and call taxi, and the taxi will come and pick you up. And it's no use. People don't want it, so it's not desirable by people. Or you look at the smart bus in Bangkok, even in front of DDT. So you have this smart bus stop on the left hand side. In left, we have GPS. Look at the bus we have the 30-year-old bus, and no GPS connection. So it's really the mismatch of the technology and the real life. So I think the present here makes you understand the situation better, and you can choose technology properly to be used. I think I like making information in the book, right? Technology cannot provide answers or even questions on its own. You need people to set up the goal, set up the question, and technology can help you provide some answers. But don't forget that we need people, the main driver. And each location has different problems to be solved. And I'm not sure when this quote is quite confusing. If you search the Google, sometimes it was said by Peter Drucker, sometimes said by Lord Kelvin who invent the machine. But I think the message is important. If you cannot measure it, you cannot manage it. I think Schneider provides a lot of measurement that you can manage the data. I think also happen in the city. So how can we measure the problem in the city? And I think I like the definition of Bangkok smart city is the city that uses proper technology to increase its efficiency and sustainability. So it's what the second already mentioned the key thing will be efficiency and sustainability. But for us, it has to be proper technology, proper investment that match the return and serve what people really need. Only two things. Data is power. If you don't have data, you cannot manage a city. And previously we have so much data, but in analog form that we cannot really use it. And I think we have to be people-centric. So how can we combine these two and use technology to improve Bangkok? Right? So I mean, when the governor last year, I just use some simple tools we call it factory control. And this is a problem we have. We have so many problems for the 10 million people, right? We have pothole, we have garbage collecting, we have like the street, we have the light that went out. So many problems in the Bangkok. So how can you measure this problem? How can you get the data and use technology to improve your performance? So I think we use the factory control. I would say that it's an equal structure for city, right? You have equal structure for community, right? But for the city, we went something simple, like factory control. And we use people as a sensor. So it's just a small application in your smartphone. So you can take pictures and report the problem to us. So you turn analog problem to digital problem. So what is on the platform? So all these the problem we have to platform. So each one new report. So our people, 10 million people, become our sensors. So they use smartphone, take pictures and send to us. So the first day I became owner, 1st of June last year, we launched this application, this platform. We have 20,000 complaints in one day. So the sensor is working, you know, the sensor digital information. So we use this information to improve our city. Until yesterday, we have 386,000 complaints. You see the lower the grade, like 386,546 complaints. That's the sensor working, and turn the problem into digital. And we put it on. So this is new people have to design.
ทุกอย่างขอให้เครื่องเปิดบลูทูธเลิศสวยสวัสดีค่ะกลับมาแล้วเป็นยังไงกันบ้างเมื่อกี้เสียงดีไหมคะถ้าสมมติว่าเสียงไม่ดีพิมพ์บอกในคอมเมนต์ได้เลยนะก็โอเคในระดับถัดไปแอนก็จะขออนุญาตพาทุกท่านเข้าไปชม Innovation Hub Bangkok จริงๆอย่างที่เราพูดถึงกันเมื่อกี้ซึ่งก็จะเป็นพิธีการเปิดหับอย่างเป็นทางการเดี๋ยวเชิญรับชมบรรยากาศในงานได้เลยนะคะ
ไม่เห็นด้วย เดินถ่ายแล้ว5 นาที ช่วงนี้จะถึงตัวรอดูอันนี้เป็นคนที่3นะก็ที่เข้าไปเลยจ่ายรายชาติเป็นตัวที่3สุดแล้วหูฟังเราใช้ได้เสียงฟังไม่ได้ตรงไหนเข้าไปตรงไหนไปที่นี่คือเราแต่ว่าพี่ไม่คิดว่าจะไม่ใช้แล้วพี่ถามแต่ถ้าเขาพูดไปแล้วว่าต้องมีคนพูดไหมพี่เข้าใจว่าเขาพูดอะไรทำไม่ได้
ไม่เก็บมากเขายังไม่ได้ตัดอีกที
ตอนนี้เราพร้อมแล้วค่ะเดี๋ยวยังใช่ปะว้าวไม่เห็นโอเคตอนนี้เราพร้อมแล้วค่ะเดี๋ยวเชิญเราชมเราฟังการเปิดตัว Innovation Hub Bangkok ได้เลย
Welcome again. So we have a special traditional Thai performance for you. This show is Klong Sabat Chai, which resembles success and prosperity as a blessing to the opening of our Innovation Hub Bangkok. So please enjoy the show. Okay, thank you so much for the incredible show. I hope you all like it. So now let's proceed with the moment you've all been waiting for, the ribbon cutting ceremony for Innovation Hub Bangkok. So before we continue, I would like to invite Dr. Chacha, Mr. Remy, Mr. Tom Pascal, and Mr. Stefan behind the rope here. They are the person who will do the honor of opening this Innovation Hub. So let's wait for a while for the staff to distribute our processor.
ได้เลยครับผม
So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Schneider Electric Innovation Hub. Here we are pleased to present you our Unified Operation Center or Control Center. Let's imagine this is the control center of your smart building, smart factory, or data center. It is the fully digitized platform at your central place in your company to maximize operation efficiency, reliability, and safety. It helps you to make the most of your energy resources. It also supports you on your decarbonization, sustainability toward net zero. So we will start first with our real example. The showcase presented by my colleagues from Schneider Electric Bangkok Smart Factory. Let's go, Jared.
Hello, this is Jared Lai from Bangkok Plant. Very delighted to share with you on the digital landscape in the factory today. Here you can see the range of applications that we have deployed, leveraging IoT connected devices, digital monitoring, advanced data analytics. This allows us to optimize our operation with real-time monitoring, as well as having the predictive capability for proactive management. For production performance, we use IoT Ubisoft, which track key metrics such as efficiency and first-pass yield. It also carries a vast range of modules, such as production scheduling and material replenishment. This includes a valuable to streamline operation processes and drive improvement in the factory. For business intelligence, we use the access and calculate translate everything to meaningful data. We use this data to build our manufacturing control tower with all the KPIs at one glance. With this, we can mobilize the entire workforce to monitor and act on this data, ensuring that all issues are resolved quickly and effectively. In this year, we also invest heavily in automation. Most recently, we have implemented the smart engineering plan as able to optimize the delivery route each time. It has helped us to save manpower and improve our on-time delivery by 5%. In the office, we also adopt RPA extensively to automate various tasks which will help us to optimize our resources and generate data quickly and accurately. Here, we leverage IoT and big data coupled with machine learning to achieve predictive capability for our maintenance and quality processes. We deploy the latest Artwork high-routing and maintenance software on our latest learning machines. It has the ability to learn and understand the relationship between multiple variables and output performance. Hence, we can optimize intervention timing to reduce downtime. Another example of innovation is introducing deep learning in our digital vision learning control system. With the multiple layers of net learning, it has narrowed the gap between human and AI extraction. This allows us to reduce overrejection of 5% zero. Last but not least, on sustainability, I'm very proud to use the solar vacuum grid to manage the energy utilization between the electrical grid, on-site solar generation, and BSS factory. Our solar capacity is able to cover 50% of our full day requirement by 2024. By leveraging solar vacuum grid, we are also able to use BSS to reduce peak hour demand by 5%. Furthermore, we use the BI Global Desktop Resource Advisor to monitor our performance in electricity and water consumption, as well as CO2 generation. This helps us to benchmark against other sectors to further drive our decarbonization ambition. Within this, I would like to hand over to Anna to talk about sustainability. Thank you.
Thank you, Jared. Good morning, everybody. 6,000. That's the number of companies that have pledged science-based decarbonization targets. And that's where we come in. At Schneider Electric, our unique value proposition lies in our ability to support our customers in their decarbonization journey, from strategy to implementation. Today, I am thrilled to introduce EcoStructure Resource Advisor, a platform that will transform the way we manage our sustainability initiatives. Imagine having a single source of truth, a centralized hub where you can have access to real-time data and get valuable insight on your resources consumption and sustainability performance. That's what Resource Advisor is about. Now let me introduce the customer, By using Resource Advisor, Netflix gained access to a complete overview of their carbon footprint. They established a baseline and they set up targets to report on their ESG reporting. But how did we proceed? The scope of our collaboration was twofold. First, we gathered all data into comprehensive ESG dashboards. We collected information from 36 sites and offices around the world, accounting for 95% of our emissions. We established a complete overview of their waste, water, and electricity consumption. You can see here the results for 3 selected sites. We designed a roadmap for the most essential energy-efficient initiatives, converting into certain assessment of savings. But we also look at the carbon-reducing projects by comparing the Scope 1 to Scope 3 top emitters by sources. And we gathered all Scope 1 and 2 data into a single system, in compliance with the updated greenhouse protocol that requires the dual reporting, market-based and location-based. Second, to establish Netflix carbon footprint and targets in compliance with the Science-Based Target Initiative methodology. We looked into a variety of activities and sources of consumption, such as the power purchase. We can probably here the share of renewable in their energy mix. But we also compared the actual consumption versus the target all along the value chain. And that's not all. We look at the social and governance aspect of ESG reporting by providing KPIs on diversity such as the gender equality in the company or in the board, as well as monitoring the voluntary experience. As a conclusion, Schneider Electric provided an efficient data collection process focusing on the essential activities involving the right stakeholders and providing recommendation to report the ESG goals in a user-friendly platform. This led Netflix to come up with a response strategy that aligns with their sustainability ambition. Thank you very much.
Thank you. So again, in the world, you have seen we are converging IT with OT, right? In our factory, which is happening live. We have seen sustainability is one of the key factors for all the organizations. We have heard that data is a huge fuel. Now, where is data? It's collected from all the IoT equipments. It's collected from sensors. Where this data goes? That data goes into data center. It has to be computed, it has to be processed, and it has to be available to make corrective decisions. Now, as we all know, the Schneider Electric is very proud in data center segment that we have end-to-end product lines supporting data center. Now, having this world-class product without having visibility on how it operates doesn't make any sense. That's where at Schneider Electric we are very proud to have a monitoring solution, I would say monitoring and measuring solution to get your information to your equipment. Wherever it is deployed across the world, you can operate from your hub. Right, what you see here on the screen, we have a data center which is monitored from Thailand, which is based out of Singapore. The customer is able to look at detailed data even at the rack level. So it is not only up to the base space, which is the MB or the switchgear, but also inside the data center at rack level. Now, all that data, which is collected at edge, has to be accessed or has to be the reporting value, which is then is converted into a data matrix, where at every level, whether it is at executive level, whether it is at operational level, the data is collected and then it is presented in a dashboard where you can see how you are progressing in the sustainability journey. You can see the power utilization of activities and show all the data center operators over here. That this is the key metrics to identify your data center efficiency, but not limited up to power. we are also identifying water utilization factors, that how the water is utilized for your data center. So we have such all the dashboarding criteria which is available for executives to look at their journey towards sustainability. Also at the operator level, to look at the data, how does it make sense for the operator. Now, taking this further ahead, utilizing this data, how we can convert this as an opportunity to have a digital platform to manage your services effectively, efficiently, and predictably, not after the situation happens, but even predict where it will happen. So that's where I am bringing Rajat, who will take you through our sustainability journey even after the equipment are installed. Rajat, thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for a short introduction on services and we have a solution called Asset Advisor. Asset Advisor is one of our digital platform under the infrastructure, which is we connect our critical assets in customer side. An example for the transformer, switchgear, UPS, and producers. So we can have the full information in the system, and our asset advisor can give you the analysis, the deep dive, and we can move from deep reactive, preventive, and predictive maintenance by using this data-driven system. In the video, you can see this is our website that we connect our factory in the US, which is also connected to the system and the power solution system. From the dashboard here, you can see that this is all the parameters that are very important to run. And if there is any alert the system with the power tool, they can alert immediately. Up and on beyond that, we have our expertise CCTV service tool that they can do the more analysis and give you the utility and the way to collect information. Okay. Yes, and on your right hand side, you can see that this is one of customer testimonial, which is we got it from Nestle factory in Mexico. They connect several assets to our system and supporting them to maximize their reliability and reliability. So that's all for my question. Thank you.
Good morning. Welcome to Building of the Future topic. As we know, many people are living in the city and they spend the majority of their life on the building. That's why we have to make the building smarter and more efficient. By doing this, in Schneider, we have the technology, innovation, in different kind of the solution for different kind of building. For example, here we have the software here, EcoStructure Building Operation, which we call EBO. So in this demo, we have like the demo in different kind of building. We look at hotels, our office in Paris, and our office in Singapore, and also other building type around the world. Here, inside the technology, in Schneider, we can also help the customer to manage different kind of system inside the building. For example, like HVAC or air conditioning system, you can manage the temperature, the humidity, even air quality, even the efficiency of the system inside. You can control from the power, not just the electricity power, it's also other kind of power. And some of specific systems in different kind of building. For example, in this building we have a lot of building. Okay, so more than that, we have another software named Own Monitoring Expert. We can call it ND. So actually this kind of software can help the customer to have more security and different kind of the view in terms of energy measuring or water measuring. You can make a lot of dashboard. You can customize dashboard by yourself to use daily use, monthly use, whatever. And for example, in our Philippines, in best practice something in certain area, and also we can have very special view in terms of the performance of the whole system. For example, you don't need to think about the number how many colors in each part of the survey. You just look at the color, being okay. Yellow being okay, actually, yellow being be careful, red color okay, something like this. Very quickly to understand the situation of your power distribution. And very quickly to understand the water quality situation. Here, for example, we see the red inside the mass of the power distribution. So, okay, here is just an example of the demonstration that we have here. So, if anyone would like to know more, you can make this session. After this, I will ask for you to demonstrate about the scope of the future.
Good morning, everyone. Today, when people talk about smart home, they think about the home that contributes to comfort, convenience, safety, and peace of mind. Yes, at Kaiser Electric, we have a smart home solution for devices that work seamlessly with all sensors, all the control connected devices, the actuators, as the one-meter ecosystems provide for its needs. Today, I have prepared also several applications that I decided for the future demonstration area that I have to show you what Kaiser can do for you. Let's see. First application we call seed control. By just contest at either your device, myself, or video case switch over here, you can control the scene. You will get an entire scenes. All the lightings, air conditioning, temperatures, actuators, water and shade, you act differently according to your reasons. Then, the second application is for your peace of mind. When you are away from home, you want to be notified whether it's raining, wrong, happening to your house, or any incidents unwanted happen. So, with all these sensors, either water leakage, or window, presence sensor, as well as camera, to give you a good notification to your mobile phone, or even a live video stream from the camera. So, it will be very peaceful for you. But what I mentioned all this is not enough anymore, because the way home consumer consume energy is totally changed. We are very much electrified. We have more electrical like car or even bike. Okay, carbon emissions is something big concern for everyone. Electricity bill is very high. So we need a smart home system that help you monitor, control, and manage the electricity cost. As another again, we have a research system that work together with context that give you information of how you consume energy for each of the electrical loads in your house. I have here also another example, but this time is from one of our house. Okay. He turned his house from a normal house to a office. So let's see how the advisor provide all this information and ability to control and manage electricity costs. On the screen on the right hand side, you look at the energy network. Okay. You can see historical data, day by day, hour by hour, and easy that of energy during the daytime. It's normal, right? Because of the installation. So he decided to install 5 kilowatts solar power system, which is enough to meet all these loads during the daytime. But after 3 years, he see different aspects, showing that okay, consume more energy during the night time. So he decided to install another set of battery storage system, which is also giving enough power to supply all the during the night time. Or another solution he can choose to install a meter, which is lower efficiency during the night time. So all these research to example advisor and there are many things. So if we explore applications that we will do, all these smart solutions is not only having computing and research, but also having another segments. So I would like to welcome Mr. Rani on stage to share with you what we have to call the day. Thank you.
Welcome to the industry of the future. So what does it mean? Industry of the future is a place where data is becoming as critical as water, energy, or even raw material can be. This is a tremendous resource, but this resource remains at its velocity yet. The company moving to data-driven model is getting offered tremendous opportunities and improving operational efficiencies related to sustainability, and I give an example very soon. We have been in touch and contacting and working with a customer that wants to engage in full digital transformation. And to do that, we have to take care of multiple environmental criteria. One of the success factors for engaging in successful digital transformation is to transform civil industry 3 pillars. Making sure that we are embarking the right technology, making sure that internal processes are aligned with this technology to take the best of it, and third, making sure and transforming people to get the adoption of the technology in order for the technology to generate benefit for itself. So I showed you an example here on the left screen coming from the food and beverage industry. This is a really great example because food and beverage industry are under a lot of constraints. Looking at the entire value chain from the beginning, starting with the farming, getting the input from the farmers, to the transportation, the processing of the material until the delivery and the storage, down to the plate of the customer, it's a lot of challenge. So what is great here is that a lot of data can be generated, collected, aggregated, and getting intelligence from the data will allow us to become much more efficient. So I show you here a couple of key indicators of real size. So we are talking here about the brewery industry. The customers have different sites around the world and have decided to set critical KPIs in their strategy. So what you see here on the left side is the KPI showing to the board management, showing to the decision maker of the company how we align with the environmental compliance. Is my company well, where do I have to act in order to be compliant with the environmental and sustainability? I also indicators indicating if I'm doing well, if I'm producing on time, and in on time I am stable or not, what the health of my production capacity, are my assets okay, do I need to generate or come with additional investment in order to gain the potential I have here? You can even have an idea about market share. How do I have performing in the market versus my competition in real time? So that's very indicators to see where the potential. On the right side of the screen, we set up different indicators which are much more operational. And what's critical here, we can drill down to it. So if we go to the energy construction, of course I have very accurate visibility on where my construction is coming, do I over-consume, I over the production of money, where is my issue, what should I do in order to improve my energy efficiency. So of course, you can drill down even further down to the asset itself. That's the beauty of it. You can really identify and pinpoint what's the issue, where do I have to act. Because everything gets connected and centralized to one single place in this control. Coming back to the mainstream here, of course, we can have an also what my power is. I am a target or not. Where is the part of my activity that is not carbon friendly? Where do I have to act and what investment should I do? Moving to another indicator, for example, the daily average production, which is much more operational here, I can have financial data on that. Yes, it's good to know that the operation is working well, and like that to know if it's profitable. So typically, I can know exactly if my production, the given by the producer, is at the right cost. Is my cost increasing? Is my cost increasing? And where the increase or decrease is coming. For example, even tracking the labor cost, which is quite amazing, because clients have a lot of turnover. Because we need to bring out labor is impacting my cost, and I can have here visibility month to month, year to year, task in time, about my cost structure. So that tells me what should I do for it. Moving back to the screen, I show you another indicator, which is the inventory. Inventory is very important because it's mobilized a lot of financial assets, a lot of money. Right? So typically here in this example, I can identify whether my inventory is healthy or not. Do I stock too much? Where is my shortage? Will my supply be in line with my deliveries? And this is really impacting my financial. So my CFO will be extremely happy to be aware that I'm controlling every financial aspect of my facility. Moving back to now the right screen. So the right screen is just a representation of the entire value chain of those breweries. So you can see here we are not doing only about ourselves. The customer is not going to be looking only at the production, but taking care about the ecosystem. The ecosystem, goes here, we need farmers to deliver berries, grains. So typically, I have the ability here to monitor the performance, advise all my partners in order to get the right quality, the right deliveries, the right input of raw material line to produce a good beer. So as you can see here, we have selected some KPIs. Are my farmers producing with the right fertilizer? What's the carbon footprint of my farmers? Do they produce high carbon footprint? Do they using a lot of chemicals or not? I can even know where the truck, where the delivery is at any moment. So I can know if the trucks are transporting my grains in a good condition, at the right temperature, humidity, etc. So this benefits from the upstream in the value chain. So now I take another example, getting back to the mainstream, to have another look at what we need. For example, the water. Water, the brewery industry consumes a lot of water. Water is critical. I have to make sure that every aspect of the water. First, the cost of water, quality of water. Do I have enough water? What is my issue within my operational structure? So what is good here is that in this room, in function, in real time, you can look back what happened, but you can also anticipate the future. Because those solutions are not only monitored, they are embarking technologies such as AI, analytics that can predict the events in the future, so you can to avoid breakdowns of the financial. Coming back to the and this is the last KPI of the group. It's about the greenhouse. So this is the place where the beer is produced. So I can have the entire knowledge of what's going on in that factory. The entire knowledge. I can here see what order do I get from the customer, what do I have to produce. Do I have the production tool good enough to produce what I have to produce and what cost do I have on production. So that and I just this question to you. You will see unified operation center is tremendous. That's what The benefits you get from implementing the new system is tremendous in this task. Digital investments are often in the systems for very limited investment. What does it mean? It gives you the convergence of your operation with your IT system. This helps you to monitor and to control for one single place your entire operation. So it's totally about the sites inside the system, but the unified operation center will sustain performance and as well as business balance. So I was talking about electric management. So I will get over to Nala, who will get to how Schneider is handling on electric management solution.
Hello. Alright, so thank you for coming. So good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So may I welcome you back from our advanced solution back to our basic but important product. Yeah, this is medium voltage solution. So this is our original Schneider product. So what's new about our medium voltage switch here? Normally inside this gas is contained gas called SFC. SFC gas is the really in Europe, they will stop using the SFC. So what's wrong with the SFC?
Okay, we have reached the end of this opening ceremony. So, as I was mentioning at the beginning, yes, the solutions are available, and I think you have been able to see live all our software, all our services, all our connected products, and we are able to sell buildings, factories, data center, infrastructure. So yes, it's happening now. Yes, we have the technology to help you decarbonize. And I would just like to finish by thanking all the team. It has been a fantastic event, great preparation, especially all those guys on the back. Very well done, guys. Very well done. It has not been easy to coordinate all of this. It has been a lot of work for me, many hours, so thank you very much for that. Thank you, Mustafa. Thank you, Pascal. Thank you all our customers for your presence this morning. And the last floor will be Life Zone Innovation Hub is on. Thank you.
นีโน่มาพูดปิดด้วยกันหน่อยดิแค่มาช่วยชงเฉยๆมานั่งมาเดี๋ยวมาช่วยเดี๋ยวเขาจะแพนมาแล้วก็พูดปิดฮะโอเคสนิท
ใช้ไม้อยู่ใช้ด้วยกันเหรออะไรกินด้วยกัน
กลับมาแล้วนะคะ ตอนนี้ก็อยู่กับแอนแล้วก็นีโน่เป็นยังไงกันบ้างงานเปิดตัวของเราเป็นยังไงกันบ้างคะสำหรับ Innovation Hub Bangkok ศูนย์นวัตกรรม Solution ความอะไรนะเอาละค่ะก็กลับมากันแล้วอยู่กับแอนแล้วก็นีโน่นะคะเป็นยังไงกันบ้างงานเปิดตัวของเราเป็นยังไงกันบ้างสำหรับ Innovation Hub Bangkok ศูนย์นวัตกรรม Solution ทางด้านความยั่งยืนและดิจิทัลสำหรับอุตสาหกรรมต่างๆมากมายทั้งที่อยู่อาศัยอาคารโรงงานอุตสาหกรรม Data Center ระบบกริดและ Infrastructure ต่างๆเยอะมากเลยนะคะจริงค่ะแล้วก็อยากจะแอบกระซิบบอกนิดนึงว่าตอนนี้ทางหับของเราเปิดให้ชมแล้วอย่างเป็นทางการวันนี้นะคะถ้าท่านไหนสนใจสามารถติดต่อเซลล์ที่ดูแลได้เลย
ข้างนอกเข้ามาดูได้ไหมคะ
ได้ทุกคนค่ะแต่ว่าก็จะติดต่อมาผ่านทางเซลล์นะคะหรือว่าถ้าใครสนใจสามารถพิมพ์ทิ้งไว้ในคอมเมนต์ได้เลยว่าสนใจอยากเข้าชม Innovation ของเราค่ะแล้วก็สำหรับในวันนี้เราก็ทางชไนเดอร์อิเล็กทริกก็หวังอย่างยิ่งว่าทุกคนจะสนุกสนานและได้รับความรู้กลับไปก็วันนี้เราก็ต้องขอบ
คุณทุกท่านเป็นอย่างไรนะคะก็ขอลาไปก่อนสวัสดีค่ะ
สวัสดีค่ะบ๊ายบาย
รีหมดปลาเลย